Hello friends, welcome back again. This is Manu. I'm here with another tutorial on Word. So in this tutorial, we are handling mail merge in MS Word. Using mail merge, we can print any number of addresses on an envelope or as a label, or we can print any number of addresses on a letter. Okay, so let's see how we can use mail merge for these purposes. So in this tutorial, we will be checking how to print 100 addresses. I'm having 100 addresses with me and I want to print those addresses on envelopes. And second one, I will be printing those same 100 addresses as a label. Third one, I will be printing those 100 letters on a letterheads. We can now do it for any numbers. So let's go to Word. For doing mail merge, open the Word and go to Mailing tab, and here you can see envelope labels and start mail merge. So for easy purpose, go to start mail merge, and here there are step-by-step mail merge wizard. Click that. You can see in the right side there are different options are available for starting the document. Here I am taking envelopes and going next step, and there are options for envelope here. You can click here. You can click the option of envelope. There are different types of size of envelopes are available. You can choose any types of envelope as you wish, and type. For delivery address, you can choose a font. For return address, you can choose a font and size, etc., whatever you need. And after giving your envelope options, click OK. And after clicking OK, the envelope layout will be here. And next, select recipient. So for recipient address, we can either use an existing list or select from Outlook contacts if you're having Outlook contacts. Here I'm using browse button, and in my folder I'm having an Excel file with name, address and email IDs. So I am directing to that and opening it, and it will automatically direct to that Excel sheet. Click OK. These are the available 100 names and addresses and email IDs which is available in the Excel sheet. So this looks fine for me, and OK. Next, arrange your envelopes, step 4. So in this section we have to give the envelope arrangement. So in this particular layout, this location is for to address and this is for from address or return address. So here I am typing like 2 and pressing enter and giving a tab. The cursor is here, and after maintaining the cursor here, we will go to, there are different items we can insert here. So either you can directly give the address block. Here I am choosing more items, and here name I'm inserting and close, and I need the address in the second line. So enter and tab, more item, company name insert, and next I need the address insert and close. So this is the layout for my envelope, and suppose as a return address I am typing my channel name. So this is a envelope I want to create. So name will be here, company name will be in the second line, and the address will be in the third line. After setting all this, we will preview your envelope. Click that So you can see there are 100 data available, so you can go through each one. So here you can see next record, so each records you can see here. So let me open my Excel sheet, and I'm trying to open my Excel sheet. It will direct you that it's currently using. I'm just taking read only. So in this file you can see first name is Anthony, this is a company name, address and email. These all are dummy addresses I have just created. So first one is Anthony, then Akeem, Drake. So let's check it. First entry is Anthony and second entry is Akeem, the third entry is Drake. So everything is fine, and the last one is the 100th one, K. So let's go and check. The last one is K. So it looks fine. If we want to make any changes, we can do that, and after this we will complete the merge. So final complete. After completing the 6th step, you can print the envelope. Either you can print all of the one or the current record, or you can give a range and click OK. It will be direct you to the printing. So this is for doing how to print 100 addresses on an envelope. Okay, so let's move to the next one. How can we print these 100 addresses as a label? Start mail merge and step by step, and here I want to print on a label. So click label, next, and here label option, I'm choosing 1/4 letters, so that means 4 labels will be on a page. Or you can choose 30 pages, 30 per page, or there are a lot of options are available here. So choose whichever you want. I'm clicking like 1/4, and if you want to check, like, this is more details, so the margin and etc. all can be given here, and okay. So this will be the layout for the label. Now next, select recipient, browse and go to the Excel sheet. Okay, these are the name and address of in that Excel sheet, so it looks fine. If you want to change anything, you can do this here. Find the duplicates or filter, sorting, etc. can be done through here. Then click OK. So it looks fine for me. So you can see the first one is blank, another is next record, etc. So we will insert the details in the first block. So it's okay. The arrange your labels is the next step. Click on that, and here click more items, and so in this I would like to show all the result in the middle section. So I'll click it, layout, and click center. Okay, and I want to print all that in the middle of that section. Now it looks fine for me. I'm going to more items, name, insert, company name, insert, address, email. I'm closing, and here I'm typing an enter. After company name, I need the name on the top, company name below, an address below that, and email at the end. So it looks fine. So I'm update all labels. I'll be clicking, every label will be updated, and preview your label is the next step. Click on that. As you can see, you go to mails, there are different. So first one is the Anthony, second one is Akeem. As we saw earlier, this is order, and as you can see, go through each files, there are 4 of them already. So it looks fine for me. So I am going to complete the merge and print. Okay, so in this way we can do the labeling easily. For whatever be the number of addresses we are having, we can do it. Now let's see how can we print addresses on a letter. So for that I'm going to file and new. I'm using a template in the Word itself, so it's a brochure template, so it looks fine for me. So this is a brochure. So in this, as you can see, there is a company address, street address, the recipient name and address is there. So either you can use the brochure like this, or you can choose a letter, whatever you want. And here, this is a recipient name. So here I am using mailing, start mail merge, letter, select recipient, use an existing list. I'm using my Excel sheet with addresses. Okay, now if I want to edit the recipient list, we can done through here. And after that, first I am inserting my greeting line. So dear, the name will be here, whatever, or you can choose the short names or long names or adding Mr. etc. So I am using this, it's okay. So here I'm deleting it and putting the cursor here, and the greeting line as dear sir or madam, that greeting line, and the next line the address block. Okay, so it looks fine for me. So preview the result. You can see sir or madam, then the name is here, the address is here. So you can see, go through all the files. So finish, print document, and you can print it. Okay, I hope you all understood how we can do the mail merge in Word. So we can print easily how many number of addresses and name, whatever we want, in a simple clicks. So I hope you all understood. Now today's tip in Word. So in this tip we will be making Word to read the document for you. For that, so here I am having a document with me. For that, you go to here and more commands. You will be getting here, select all commands, and okay, come to speak, and here click add, then okay. As you can see in the top, speak selected text is shown. Now select the text you want the Word to read and click it. See, in this way you can make Word to read the sentence for you. So I hope you all understood this video. If you have any queries, just comment below. I will be happy to reply, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.